Good morning, it's Brent Begley here. Wanted to give you a little sneak peek about what we're going to be talking about in our upcoming seminar. So we talk about a lot of stuff in the seminar. One of the things we talk about is laying a firm foundation for how you should plan for the future, specifically your estate plan. But another thing we talk about, which is really important, is trust. If you want to learn how to protect everything you have all at once, a trust is a great tool to use. It also can help you maximize your exemption for estate tax purposes and to ensure that the assets that you have go to your loved ones in the way that you want it to go, right? Avoiding probate, so instantly. Trust is a great tool, can consolidate all of your assets. It's one place to put everything to make sure that it's all protected all at once and it all passes outside of probate. If you have questions about trust or anything that we do, which is estate planning and elder law, give us a call, 704-259-7040. And I'll see you at the seminar.